Hi everyone. Well, Sale-a-Bration is starting and I'm going to be out of town when it begins. So I'm pre-filming this video so that I can show you what is in the Sale-a-Bration catalog and point out some of the highlights before I go. And I hope that you will take a look. I'll have it on my blog so that you can download the catalog if you don't have a paper copy. Okay, so Sale-a-Bration goes for 2 months, so I'll only be missing the beginning of it. I'll be back and showing all kinds of fun projects with these. Really great selection this time around. So I wanted to show you the Hippos is super cute all by itself, free with a $50 purchase. However, if you spend $100, grab the free dies. So you can do the Hippo stamp set and the Hippo dies, just the stamp set if you don't want the dies. It's so darling. The hippos are really cute here, but if you take a look at these dies, you can see how much is added because you've got little accessories that you can give to the hippos. For example, there's a little tub that they can have a little splish splash bath in. They can have a little scuba gear. There's a cute umbrella. There's a party hat, sunglasses. Here they are, sunglasses, little hearts and flowers. It's just adorable. And I've already seen a lot of really cute samples on Pinterest and on the demonstrator forums with this stamp set, so it's really cute. So here's the size in real life. You can see they're really cute. They're great for different coloring techniques. In fact, on the sample here, you can see that they've used typical watercoloring techniques or just markers and blends, or here's a no-line watercolor. Really cute. And you can see how they've used the dies. They're just adorable. Really love that. Here are the dies themselves. I just got them in and I'm packing and doing all kinds of stuff, so I haven't had time to play. I'm hoping that I'll be able to get a chance to use them before I go. Now I want to point out these little flowers are super cute. You're going to use those a lot on other things, and the hearts. I love those. You can imagine adding hearts to many things as well. I think this is like propellers, maybe for the top of a hat. Really cute. You can even put the propeller on the back of the boat. I think that's probably what it's intended for. Splashes, little grasses, really cute. I like the little waves or ground that you can make with this piece. So really sweet. I like the little inner tube. Lots of detail on these. Very cute. Okay, so that is free with a $50 purchase, and this free with $50 purchase. So if you spend $100, think about getting these two together. All right, there's more. Next up, now this one required some explanation, so that's why I really wanted to show you this one. The free with $50 purchase is the paper, and it's really pretty by itself. You don't need to have anything else, but I wanted to show you from the mini catalog what goes with it. So here's the paper. Very pretty. It has kind of a watercolor look. You know, Stampin' Up's been doing a lot of watercolor the past few years, which I love. There we go. Okay, so I want to show you this paper because it's really pretty and it's got so many different uses. So if you see just the floral, you won't get all the different uses. But here, look at the plaid. I love the color in this. This is Pool Party and maybe Poppy Parade. I love Pool Party just about any time I see it. So here we've got these two. Okay, and then this one, look at these fall acorns. Really cute. But the back, soft little leaves. I love these little birds. Aren't they the sweetest? And there are lots of things from the annual catalog that'll work with this. There's a new, not the annual catalog, the mini catalog. There's a really sweet bird set that I bought called Perched on a Branch, I think, and it hasn't come yet. That gorgeous salt effect with watercolor. Love that. But this is really sweet. These houses, adorable. And you can imagine cutting them out and using them on their own as well. And then look at this back. Look how pretty that is. And there's a stamp that kind of looks like that in the main catalog as well. So that's really, the paper kind of goes with so many things. That's why I like it. These little mushrooms would look really cute with the gnomes. Did you see the gnomes in the holiday mini? Or that, it's not the holiday mini because it goes from July to December. It used to be a holiday mini, but now it's a bigger mini, so it's not really holiday. Mushrooms, super cute, foresty look. And then the rings on the trees, which is how it gets its name, because it's ringed with nature is the bundle that it goes with, and this is called Rings of Love. And then look, you've got poinsettias, so you've got some Christmas and on the back of the Christmas, some really pretty trees. So this is a beautiful paper all by itself, and the samples are lovely, but it coordinates with something from the July to December catalog. So I wanted to show it to you real quick. It's called Ring with Nature. Here, see, look at all the things. There's that poinsettia, the mushrooms, the acorns, the little leaves, the houses, and the ring. So it goes with all of those things. That bird is from a different set. And then you've got this is like a mega bundle. So you've got the stamp set. Look at the embossing folder, kind of woodsy rings. You can imagine using the woods on a masculine card, a birthday card. Where's the flap? For some reason I can't get it. Oh, that's a different. There's two flaps because something is inside of something. I was trying to open this one. Okay, so here's the embossing folder, and then here are the dies. All right, so look at the dies. They go around. There's one, the big one, kind of like the seashell dies I showed you a few days ago, where you can emboss and then cut out. So you've got that. And this is a hybrid embossing folder, which means when I showed the seashells on my card just a couple days ago, you had to emboss and then cut out, or cut out and then emboss. Whereas now with this one, this is a hybrid folder. You can do it at the same time. So you're going to put your paper, your cardstock in, and cut and emboss in one pass. So it fits inside there. That's really cool. So it saves a step. All right, but you've also got, if you want to do two different color cardstocks, you can do that. You can emboss the rings and have like a darker bark on the outside and then like a crumb cake on the middle. So imagine like soft suede and crumb cake or early espresso, something like that. All kinds of cute little twigs. You've got the mushrooms. This could be like inside the tree, you know, these little star shapes. Anyway, really cute. I love the acorn. Here's the bottom of the acorn. So this one works as the acorn or the mushroom. So you've got that. And here are the stamps. So I think it's really cute. It's a really fun bundle, and that paper just really makes it. So the paper is only in the Sale-a-Bration catalog. So that means that after August, it'll be gone. Even though these pieces will still be in the July to December, there's going to be a few months where that paper is gone. So maybe you don't. So this is something, if you think you like it, maybe get it early on in the mini catalog sales period. Since the sales period is so long, you know, sometimes people kind of, okay, my first order I'll get this, second order I'll get that. This might be something you want to get on the first order so that you can still get this paper. There's another thing like that I'm going to show you. Okay, so that's the paper. But if you missed out the paper, or if you don't want to get the set, the paper itself is super cute, as I showed you. Okay, these are great, and I showed these in another video that I just posted. I think these are fantastic. They offer these cards and envelopes off. A lot of times there's a few in the annual catalog as well, and I love them because it's just so simple to start out with a really pretty base like this and gorgeous envelopes, and then create off of that. And I have a video for these. And there's 20 cards and 20 envelopes in the kit, in the pack, and they're free with a $50 purchase. So that'll make your card making easier and also pretty inexpensive. So I love that. So that's here. And look what they've done with it. They've got some samples in here. This one is really sweet. We have some red foxes in the yard sometimes, so I really like this set. And I will be making him Cajun Craze to match the one that's in our yard. I love the different sketchy look to the animals and the little leaf here. So really cute, stylish sketches, also free with a $50 purchase. And he is going on a scrapbook page with a picture of the fox that my daughter took a couple pictures of the little fox in our backyard. So I'm going to make a little scrapbook page, and I'll put that on there, and I'll be sharing that on my blog as well. Okay, this one I missed first time around, and I'm glad that I was trying to decide what else to get with my order, and I thought, well, I've already got this, and I've got 2 of the papers already, so that I thought, okay, what is this? And I looked at it again, and I'm really glad that I got it because it's 6 by 6, and you've got this paper. It's just one-sided. and it all has foil on it, and it's silver and gold. So you've got some gold stripes and dots, and then you've got some silver stripes and dots. Very simple, but I love using this kind of paper because you can color it so easily with a watercolor wash or the blending brushes. You can make these any color. In fact, they show you some blending brushes samples right here, but you can just leave it plain and make it beautiful like they did here. But if you want to add some color and make it your own patterns or whatever, you can do that. And so this paper, the foil paper with a basic white background, I love when they do that because it's just so versatile and it'll go with everything. So pack of that. That's free with a $50 purchase. Okay, now this next one is bigger. It's a bigger stamp set, and I really think it's fun. And so it's called Amazing Phrasing, and this one is free with a $100 purchase. So you have to spend a little more to get this one. I really like it. I think you're going to use it a lot. I like the oops, so sorry, and you know, sometimes you need a sorry card, right? Or I miss you, you know, hey, I miss you, you know, you're doing amazing, you've got this, you know, just really, really funny. So cute, Amazing Phrasing. It's a large set, so you got 2 sheets there, like that. This is free with a $100 stamp set. You can see some of the fun things that they did with it. I'm the worst. I missed that one. There it is. I'm the worst. So sorry, I'm the worst. That's funny. Okay, so there you go. If you accidentally blow off a friend's coffee date and you missed it and you're like, oh, why did I do that? Anyway, really funny. So I really like that one. And that's free with a $100 purchase. Okay, now this one also I thought required some explanation. It's called Tree Lot Dies. They're very cute on their own. You need nothing to make it cute. Look at the little camper, and then there's accessories to dress up the camper and a string of lights, all of that. But it does coordinate with the Trees for Sale stamp set. This is in that July to December mini catalog. This is one of those things that if you see it in September, you think, oh, I really like that. I wish they made dies for it. And then you're seeing other people post samples with dies. You're like, how'd they get dies? They're not available anymore. So if you like this, get this early on because these dies are gone as of August. So this is, I've already used it. So this one is a large stamp set, but this is in the July to December catalog, but the dies are here. So here are the dies. I think they're really fun. I love the little dog. I like that they give you a lot of little things, like these can be made as little snowflakes. I wonder if they use them here. Oh, they're little branches on the tiny little Charlie Brown tree. My sister intentionally buys the ugliest tree on the lot every year, and this reminds me of that. So that is for my sister. Really silly little tree, and you put one little ornament on it. That's what she does. Very funny. Anyway, that's what my sister would do. But really cute dies. I think they're great. There's a lot here, so this is a free with a $100 purchase, and I think it's really cute. Super cute. So that's this one, and there is only one other, and I didn't get it. I was not. I forgot to get this one, and so I ended up with, you know, 2 of the Ringed with Love paper and 2 of the silver and gold paper, and then I realized, oh, I forgot. I don't know if I just didn't turn the page or if they were stuck together. I don't know. But it's a stamp set with paper, and it's really pretty, and so I've got July and August to still get it. So I'm sure I'll end up with it in the long run. But here it is, Wonderful World stamp set with paper that goes with it, and it's a bundle together with free with a $100 purchase. You get the stamp and the paper with a $100 purchase, and the samples here are gorgeous. So this is what's going on July and August. I hope that you find something in here that you think is really cute. I think there's a lot here, and you know, even just grabbing some of these cards and envelopes, and then you can use it with anything. They're showing it here with some other items from the mini catalog, and just you can use those on all year round. Those are great, and so much here to love, really. And I'll have this up on my blog so that you can view it even if you don't have the catalog. So thanks so much for watching. I hope that you have a fun celebration, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I'll be gone the first week and a half of July, but then I'll be back, and I hope to see you then if you're coming to classes, or contact me online. Thanks for watching. Bye.